How late does court go? It all depends on, are you in federal court? Are you in state court? Also a sort of proceeding you have before the judge. If we're talking about jury selections go very late. This is because the judge wants to pick the panel and excuse everyone else who's not needed, and they do this for the benefit of all the jurors, where you do one day instead of doing one short day and then having to do a second day. With jury selection, the latest I think I've ever left the courthouse was 9:30 in the evening, and it's been on more than one case that I'm leaving so late because the judge is really trying to get the jury selected so the next day the jurors don't have to come back and you start from jury selection. When we're talking about routine court appearances like conferences or suppression hearings, usually we're talking about 5, maybe 6 o'clock, but if the judge generally wants to go after 5 for a routine court appearance or a routine hearing, court asks if everyone is okay staying. If we're talking about arraignments in federal court, and this may be specific to where we practice, which is the Southern and the Eastern District of New York, that may be 8 o'clock is probably the latest that we've left the courthouse. And if we're talking about state court arraignments go until 1:30 in the morning. And way back in the day, they used to have what was called the lobster shift, when there was a third session for court that sat from midnight until 8 o'clock in the morning because there were just so many cases in the system. But now state court starts at 9:30 in the morning and goes until 1:30 in the morning.